Hello, I'm Tracie Grimwood and I'm an illustrator. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character of Boo the dog from the book Boo Loves Books, written by Kaye Baillie and illustrated by me. To start with, you'll need a piece of paper and something to draw with. You could use a pencil, marker pen, crayon or whatever you like. Today I'm going to be using a pencil. When we first meet Boo, he's feeling a little bit worried. So we're going to start by drawing two worried looking eyes. He has a long nose and a whiskery muzzle. I think we can draw him with a little smile today. He has a very shaggy coat, so we're going to draw that using lots of long strokes like this. He has soft, drooping ears. You can just see the other one behind his head there. And a long neck. He's wearing a collar. So we can draw the sides and the bottom and more of his shaggy fur. I think today we'll draw Boo sitting. So we'll draw his chest down to his front legs. He's a big dog, so he has very long legs, right down to his toes. Let's draw in the back of his leg there, and the second one. More toes. Next we need to draw his back. So we'll start up at the shoulders and draw lots of furry strokes all the way down. Here's his hind leg bent under him like this. Down to his foot. Draw in those toes again. And we can just see his other back leg peeking through there. And a bit of tummy fur. Next we get to draw his very long, shaggy tail. Lots and lots of hair. Boo also has some dark brown patches on his coat, so we can show them like this. Around his eye, his ear, and another patch down his back. And you can colour that in a different colour if you choose to colour Boo. And there he is, Boo the dog. Perhaps you'd like to draw yourself sitting next to him, reading him a story. I think he'd like that.